Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to my channel. Hope you guys have been doing well. And today I will be teaching you the A minor scale on the trumpet, since I've previously taught all the 12 major scales in my previous videos. Keep in mind I will be teaching you the natural minor, but I will have a music theory video coming out soon, which just talks about minors and major scales and how they're related. But today, let's get right into it, and let's start learning the A minor scale. Okay, so first I will be playing the scale for you guys, and then I'm going to be showing you what the notes are and how to play them. Okay, so this is what the A minor scale sounds like. So that is what it sounds like, and make sure to stick around for the tutorial. Okay, so the A minor scale begins with the note A, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is B, which is played 2. The next note is C, which is played open. The next note is D, which is played 1 and 3. And for the D, you want to get this third valve tuning slide out just about halfway, maybe just a little less. So like right about there is good. And you want to leave that out for the D. The next note is E, which is played 1 and 2. The next note is F, which is played 1. The next note is G, which is played open. And the last note, which is the same as the first, is A, which is again played 1 and 2. So those are the notes for the scale. And for the second octave, everything in terms of fingerings are the same except for 2 notes, if I'm not mistaken. And those 2 notes are D and E. So in the second octave, you want to play D with 1, and you want to play E as open. So that is the only difference in terms of fingerings. And you'll actually notice this scale sounds sad, if you know what I mean. Whereas the major scales are like happy scales. I think that's the word. Yeah. So this is more, all the minor scales are sad sounding scales. And so one last time, this is how the entire scale sounds like. So hope you guys liked it. Make sure to subscribe, and until next time, Trumpet Beast signing off.